Hi there everyone, today I'll be showing you a baked donut recipe, so airy and light you won't believe it's baked. So you'll need 160 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of softened butter, 25 grams of powdered sugar, 1 egg yolk, 4 grams of instant yeast, and 90 ml of lukewarm milk. Now first we need to bloom the yeast, so pour the lukewarm milk and the powdered sugar into the yeast, stir and keep aside for 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's frothy and bubbly on top. Like so. Now add the yeast mixture to the flour along with the egg yolk. Now mix with the hand mixer with the dough hook attachment. You can knead this by hand as well, it will just require more time for kneading. Keep mixing it on a low speed till a rough dough ball is formed. Then add in the softened butter and mix again till the butter is incorporated into the dough. Then start throwing the dough with some force onto the surface and keep folding the dough over itself until it's smooth. Then roll the dough into a smooth, tight ball. And place in a well-greased bowl for 1 to 2 hours or until double its size. Then punch the dough down and again roll it into a ball and place in a lightly floured surface. Sprinkle some flour on top as well and then start rolling it out. Roughly roll it out into rectangular shape. Make sure the dough is not sticking to the surface and sprinkle flour on the surface if necessary. Trim the sides of the dough so we can further cut into equal rectangular pieces. Then place on a tray lined with baking paper and let proof for 30 to 40 minutes or until it doubles in size. Don't let the scraps go to waste, they make for great testers for you to try. Now bake in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Then turn the tray so you can get an even color for another 4 minutes for a total of 12 minutes. All the temperatures, timings and measurements will be given below in the description. Now you will need 20 grams of butter melted and 30 grams of powdered sugar mixed with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now brush the donuts with the melted butter on both the sides. And then toss them in the cinnamon sugar until well coated. You can top your donuts with chocolate if you like, and then they're ready to serve. They taste amazing fresh out of the oven, but they store well too. But I doubt they'll last for long as they're too good to resist. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends and family.